didn't help at all why it's not working. Audrina, can you log into your Canvas again for me? Let me see if I can figure out this Sharon Wells, because if y'all don't, then y'all don't have any access to anything to figure out. Let me see. I should have Antonio log in, maybe. Can you go to your math tile too? Let's see.
Hello, CCISD. My name is Mary Cavazos from the Office of Instruction.com. The Sharon Wells math content from 2nd grade all the way to 5th grade. You'll also notice that you have it in English and you have it in Spanish. I'm going to open 2nd grade digital resources. Over on the right-hand side, you will see all of the content, and on the left-hand side, you'll have a table of content that you can peruse through to decide which items that you want to preview. I'm going to click on 2nd grade, second 6 weeks English. Click on problem solving, and here is all of the content that Sharon Wells has to offer for the 2nd grading period. If I want to open one, I simply just click on the item.
It should work for y'all. This is crazy.
Now I have access to the content for problem solving. If I need to go back, I click on back to unit. And if I want to look at basic facts, here are all my basic facts.
Can you try the basic facts again or something?
Skills for the second 6 weeks and the concepts for every week up until.
See, it doesn't say that they're having trouble logging in. Does it work, Audrina, or does it still say error? Go to math and then click on like basic facts. I'm like looking at the student view and it says error too, so it's not good if you can't get in there, because I don't know how you're gonna do math. You don't have math. I can see them. Leave student view. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. Maybe, no, it's not enough for the due date. Okay, we're gonna be working on, y'all that are here, put your stuff away. Your page 51. It's not even loading on mine. Is it still not working, Audrina?
I'm trying to get into Canvas.
Page 51, y'all put your drawings away. Everyone, page 51, rounding. Ooh, rounding. I think y'all did some rounding in 3rd grade, maybe? I think page 51. Why is this not working? I need to figure out why it's not working. And y'all that haven't picked up your math, like, you really need to pick it up today if you're not coming back to school. I know Mariah said she was, I think, coming back tomorrow, then you're okay, but still. Audrina, you're gonna need it. Why is it not working? Like, load in a new window. Page 51. Rounding. I'll show you in a second. I'm trying to. Yes, math. We're still in math. We'll be in math for all morning until PE at 10:50. 10:45, I guess. Yeah, math. And then usually, if anything, it's maybe some science later on. 10:50. Huh? We're in math. Page 51. It's skills. Skills? Rounding. I don't know why it's not even, my computer's not even working right now. Come on, beans and cheese. Yeah, 51. I'm trying to figure out why this is not working. Do that, but maybe not. Yes. Oh yeah, I should be doing that, right? That'd probably be helpful. Why is the internet so slow? Page 51, it's rounding. How to be rounding. Great. Oh, here we go. And then there's a numbers rock video.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct.
When rounding to a certain place value, find the rounding place that continue to. Look at the number to the right, man, you don't need luck. If the digit's 5 or more, then you round up. If the digit's less than 5, then you round down. That's how the rounded number is found.
When rounding up, the rounding place goes up by 1. When rounding down, it stays where it had begun. The numbers to the right of the rounded digit get changed to zeros, then it's legit.
When you need to find out an approximate amount, rounding gives you numbers that are easy to count. When you need to find out an approximate amount, rounding gives you numbers that are easy to count.
But when rounding to a certain place value, find the rounding place that continue to. Look at the number to the right, man, you don't need luck. If the digit's 5 or more, then you round up. If the digit's less than 5, then you round down. That's how the rounded number is found.
When rounding up, the rounding place goes up by 1. When rounding down, it stays where it had begun. The numbers to the right of the rounded digit get changed to zeros, then it's legit.
When you need to find out an approximate amount, rounding gives you numbers that are easy to count. When you need to find out an approximate amount, rounding gives you numbers that are easy to count.
Here's a trick to use to help you choose where the digit to the right tells you to move. Draw 0 to 10 on the hill with 5 on top. A car drives until it comes to a stop. If it's 5 or more, it moves forwards. If it's 1 through 4, it moves backwards. Forward rounds up, backward rounds down. Just a little trick to help you round.
When you need to find out an approximate amount, rounding gives you numbers that are easy to count. When you need to find out an approximate amount, rounding gives you numbers that are easy to count.
Right? That was pretty cool. Let me see if I can do something here.
Mr. Hernandez, it ended.
What? Resume share.
No.
Oh, no, I don't need it to play. Page 51. Y'all that don't have math, I guess you're going to be taking notes in a journal because I can't figure out why Sharon Wells is not working. Of course it wouldn't be working.
So it's in our math binder?
Yes, this is in your math binder. We're still in math. Page 51. Rounding. Rounding. Y'all that are in class have a little anchor chart up there to help you. Round.
So I get a journal?
Yes.
Okay.
Piece of paper. Come on. Y'all all have it in here? Every one of y'all, 51? Yep, okay. So A says round 471 to the nearest 100. So first of all, we're going to put it in our place value chart, 471. Keep. What number is?
Hernandez,
Yes.
are you sharing your screen? Because all I see is
No, I don't think I was. Now I am. I need to figure out this screen too. What number's in the hundreds place in 471? You can tell me. You can tell me what number's in the hundreds place. You can tell me what number's in the hundreds place. Y'all can talk in class too. Don't be afraid. 4. The 4 is in the hundreds place. So the number directly to the right, what number to the right of 4 am I talking about on here? What number's to the right of 4? Only one number. What number's to the right? Remember, right's that way. If you're looking at your paper, right is that way. What number's to the right of 4? 7. So you would that number is going to tell me what we do if this number is going to go up or if this number is going to go down. It's always a number to the right. The next number to the right is going to tell me if I round up or if I round down. So that being said, and what is it? 0, what is it? Or 1 to 4, let it rest. How's that thing? Maybe it's the other way. 5 or more raises scores. 4 or less, let it rest, I think it is, right? Y'all remember that? And there's also the roller coaster, where it's like if it's, is it up there? Yeah, it's up there. If it's 1 to 4, it goes down. If it's 5 or more, it goes up, type of thing. So, let me put my dot. 471 is between what two numbers on this number line? You can tell me. I guess it isn't really. It would be about right here. You make a dot right here. 471 on your paper. 471.
I'm on 55.
51. Page 51. Come on, Michael. So, if it's 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. So that 7 is going to turn the 4 into a what? A 5, or is it going to go down to a 4? 5. A 5. And then every number behind that would be a 0. So then you would round 471 to 500 is what you would round to. I know y'all did this last year. And if you look on the number line, it's closer to 500, isn't it, than it is to 400? That's kind of what the number line is for. Sorry. I know y'all did some of this last year. You already did them?
Yeah, but I think I might have got it at home.
Ooh, to the thousands place. We'll see if you got it wrong. All right. B, 235 to the hundreds place. So 235, right? What number's in the hundreds place anyways? 2. So yeah, 2. And what number is gonna tell me if I round up or round down? Y'all that are online too can tell me. I guess I should put it on here. The 3, yeah. 235. So you're gonna underline that. Make sure you underline that, and then you put your arrow. That's gonna tell you that number directly to the right. It's important to know your left and your rights too for this purpose. It's going to tell you that number to the left or to the right is gonna tell you if you round up or you round down. So I guess you wouldn't necessarily say round down, or if it's just gonna stay the same, I guess. You wouldn't want to round down. Well, I guess it is technically rounding down, but. So, 5 or more, raise a score, 4 or less, let it rest. So we're kind of letting it rest. So what does this become now? 200, yeah, it would be 200, and you put 2 zeros back there. Good job. And you can tell on here because it's closer to 200 than it is to 300. If you're looking at it that way. You got B right? Okay. C. Round 8,284. Yeah, 284 to the thousands place. Let's see if you get this one right. Maybe you are better at rounding than I thought you might be. Put my comma. 284. You think someone's right here. 8284. Okay. Somebody that's online, that's zooming. What number's in the thousands place? Who can tell me? I heard somebody say it here. I want to hear somebody that's online. Y'all keep your cameras on. Even RJ has his camera on today. What number's in the thousands place? The people that are online are being neglected because there's so many people. What number's in the thousands place? 8. Yes. And the number right behind us is going to tell us what if we round up or we let it rest. What's our number going to be? Chloe says round down. Do y'all agree with her that are online? So what's your number going to be, Chloe? What? Okay, yeah. Y'all remember this from last year, don't you?
That's because I agree. Wesley did it all the time.
I remember from last year. I thought this would be a little tricky for some of y'all. It might have been a year or 2 ago. I don't know. Come on, Michael. Come on. I know y'all are probably tired. Y'all are sitting in school. Rounding up and rounding down, yeah. Oh, those paper clips. There's some. Um, 500, around 560 to 100 to the hundred space. 560. It's right here. 560. What number's in the hundreds place for D? David. You can tell me. Ooh, Chloe says we are rounding up. I'm going to underline my 6 because that's going to tell me if I'm rounding up or rounding down. Chloe says we're rounding up. I don't know if we're rounding up or not. Who agrees with her? We're rounding up or we're rounding down? 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. So that 6 is telling me what? Well, you had it right the first time. Chloe? Or just saying what they were going to say. That 6 is going to tell me we round up or we round down. Come on.
Round up.
Round up. So then it becomes, that 5 becomes a 6, and then you put zeros behind there. 600. Is that what you got, Chloe? Do the best you can, Audrina. Ooh, the 10,000s place. 10,000s place. I'll let you do the bottom one by yourself. We'll do this one together. So 68,943, and we're gonna round to the 10,000s place. What number's in the 10,000s place? The 6. I'm gonna underline my 8, so I know that number's gonna tell me to round up or round down. Besides Chloe, who thinks they know what we're doing? We're gonna round up or we're gonna round down? 5 or more, we raise the score. 4 or less, we let it rest. We got an 8 back here. What? We have an 8 back there. Are we going to raise the score or are we going to let it rest? Come on, somebody. Raise the score. Yes, AJ, good job. Don't be scared. So that 6 becomes a 7, and then everything behind there becomes a what? A 0. Don't be scared. I'd rather you get it wrong today than get it wrong on Friday. Oh, I didn't put my number up here. It'd be like right here. And if you're looking at this number, you know. Yeah, you can try the last one by yourself. And if you look at the number on the picture, you can tell it's closer to 70,000 anyways. And you got F, round 4,597 to the nearest thousands. Put it in here. Give you a hint. I'm gonna say no. I'm going to say no. Yeah, Michael. Yeah. What do you think it's going to be? What number's going to say to round up? 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. So, you have 5 or more, you raise the score, right? So it's already come. Yeah, like that. Come on. Not 71,000, no, 70,000. No. You gotta put another 0 though. For the 7,000. See that one? That's 7,000. You put the comma. 70,000. Yes, put your comma back. Big comma. 5,000. Come on. What'd you get? You finish? Not yet. Not yet. You aren't quiet. I know you aren't always as quiet. What do we do here? Do we raise it or do we let it rest? Raise it. We raise it. Yes. Y'all had it right, I think, except for Chloe, which we fixed it. That 5 is going to tell me to raise the score. I know you are not always as quiet. It must be first day jitters, like our book. Y'all weren't this quiet online. Y'all must be sleepy. Is that what it is, maybe?
I was also quiet online.
Huh?
I was quiet online.
Some of y'all were, not everybody. But anyways, moving on. Moving on to our concept of the week. Place value. Place value. Page, what is this? I don't know what page it is. Go to your, somebody go to the concept. Page.
Chloe's not in here, remember?
81. Chloe's in here. There's 2 Chloes. Page 81. It's just like a picture right now. It's just a picture right now. It'll look like this. Get some of my money out for y'all that need it. Oh no, it goes over here. Page What did he say? 81. I forgot what page I said. Page 81. Page 81. We're talking about money this week. I like to think of place value when we start talking with decimals.
What page?
Page 81. I like to think of money.
Y'all will I don't have enough pennies in here for everybody to dimes. I do. Many things are money now. Money would not be this big.
What?
I wish it would. I wish it would. And then you could know when people have money on them. There's no money.
What page is it, ma'am?
81.
If money was that big, how would it fit in your wallet? They would make big wallets. How do you
Y'all have this up here. This is going to help y'all.
I was gonna put it in pocket.
What?
Make a wagon. How are we gonna make a wagon that big?
I will let y'all have some of my, not keep my money, but.
I'm on page 1.
Yes.
Skills page 1? Okay.
Page 81.
Let me say a 10. I need 10 seconds.
I don't have enough charities, but. All right. I'm bringing out the big dogs here. Our money. Decimals. We're going to be talking about decimal place value and how it's represented as a fraction. Y'all can see because I have my anchor chart up there, but they can't see because they're online. Oh, and I have to use the restroom. To make it 20 minutes. Okay, so y'all can see my screen, right? Everybody? So a dollar bill is equivalent, this dollar bill is equivalent to one flat. Y'all can see that. They're over here, right? So you got another dollar bill. This is $1. What is this blue thing?
$1.
$1.
That is $1 bill.
$1 here. Y'all can see this. $1. I should put this one in there. $1. That is $1. This is equal to how much?
$10?
Not 10.
10 cents.
10 cents. So that's equivalent to this. Right there. My dime looks different. Nope. That's equivalent. So how many of these does it take to make $1?
10.
What?
Huh?
How many of these?
10.
How many?
10. So we have to draw 100 chart.
Yeah, but it would take how many of these green ones to make a whole one though? 10. There we go. And then I have my penny here. Penny. A penny is equivalent to one of these little yellow things. How many pennies does it take to make a doll hair?
100.
What? 100 pennies. 100 pennies.
Squares right here to make $1. So how many dimes does it? How many dimes does it take to make $1? One of these big things. Who can tell me?
100 times.
What? Okay, let me show you my picture again. This might be better.
I mean 10 times.
You have one of these, and then you have one of these. That's what that looks like. This looks like this. This looks like this. And I can't show my dollar because it's really big. I'm pulling out the money here, man. Right here. And it's like, we're having fun, okay? With my dollar bills. And it takes one of these to make $1. And how many 10 cents? Oh, y'all didn't correct me here. Is this correct? No.
No.
How much is this, Jacob? How much is this? 1 penny. That goes over here, right? Y'all didn't correct me. I'm like over here telling y'all the wrong thing. Tell me it's wrong. So how many pennies does it take to make $1?
100 pennies.
100. How many 10 cents does it take?
100.
How many 10 cents? 10. So let me write this in here. So Oh, the decimal means and. So that would be like $1.11 here, but we're gonna write this in here. Let me show you. On your page 81. Put my dollar away in my pocket. It's not possible. I don't think. Maybe I'll do that during. Oh, that's what we can do. All right, I should make a wallet, like those envelopes. Yeah. You know what envelopes I'm talking about. Okay. Let's move on. $1 here looks like this. I want you to write this on there. $1. Put your decimal. Write this on your piece of paper. $1. So there's your one. Means you have one whole. You have one whole and 0 tenths and 0. What if I have 10 cents? 10 cents. Where would my one go? Do I have a hole if I have 10 cents? Do I have a hole if I have 10 cents? Do I have a hole? Like a hole?
No.
No. So you would put a 1 here, and then you put a 0 here. This is the difference. Like if you're thinking of money, let me put my 0 here. Right? Isn't that how 10 cents looks? Like if we write 10 cents, or if we write 10. What if I have 1 penny? Where does 1 penny? Where does the 1 go now? Place. Does it go in the 10? Do I have one hole though?
No. But yeah.
I have one hole right here? No.
No.
You have 1 cent. So does it go in the tenths place? Or does it go in the hundredths place, your 1 now? So you're telling me I put my 1 here. I have 1 hole.
No, that's in the 10th place.
Right here? Oh, in the hundredths place. That's another thing. We're starting to transition now to decimals. So we're learning about tenths and we're learning about hundredths. That's what these are. We haven't learned about these yet. So Jacob, you said put our 1 here? Yes, you're right. You would put your 1 here. Yes. And then it would look like this. That's what 1 cent looks like. That's the difference. Look at the difference between these, because you'll have a picture. What? Oh yeah, there's $1 bill. But right here, $1 bill. $1 bill. So I can see my big dollar bill. Okay, let me give you a question.
And it kind of makes sense because in the hole, it brings
Yeah, so whole.
brings down like 100, and then the 10th brings down a 10 and
What I
then.
want you to get is that this whole is equivalent to $1. If you don't have a whole one of these, you don't have $1. If you come to my candy stand and I tell you my candy is $1 each, and you give me 1 of these, I'm gonna look at you like you're crazy because you gave me 1 penny, right? I mean, maybe.
Yep.
If you come, let's say Vida comes to my candy store and she wants to buy one of my candies. I wish I had my candies around. She wants to buy a candy from me that is $1, right? And she gives me a penny. Is that the same amount of money?
No, because if I give you 1 penny, I'm gonna have to give you 99 more to make $1.
No, but okay, my candy's $1. What I want you to get here is, and you give me a penny. Did you give me the same amount of money for that candy?
No.
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 What about if you come and you give me this? Did you give me the same amount of money? Do you have enough money to buy that candy?
No.
You don't have enough money. You need one of these bad boys right here.
Imagine everything was
A quarter?
even $100 bills. Everything was
What?
Oh, you said $100 cent. That kind of money for anything.
You can buy a lot of things. Yeah,
Yes,
for sure.
imagine everything was 1 cent.
Oh, that would be.
And then everything would just be out.
That would. I mean.
There'd be no more
Yeah, there'd probably be no. I don't know. People would still probably want. So let me get my money out. I want to talk about money. So, what do I have here? What do I have shown here? How much money do I have here? What?
You have 20 cents.
20 cents. 20 cents. So I have two of these, right? This is the same thing. This is equivalent to that. So where does my 2 go? Do I have any holes? Do I have any dollar bills shown here? No. Right?
No.
Okay, we're gonna fill this in our chart. So I would put a 0 here. I don't have any dollar bills shown here, do I?
Nope.
All right. You're writing this in. Come on. How many tens do I have shown here? How many tens do I have shown here? 20?
2.
Or how many of these things do I have shown here?
2.
No. So a 2 would go here. Do I have any pennies?
No.
What did I put back here? A 0. Look at that. You're already talking in money terms. I'm trying to figure out. Okay, so if it's easy to count, easy to understand, that's what you need to understand about these pictures. Like I have up there for y'all that are here. That's what you need to understand is that 1 penny is not a whole one of these. So if you have a question that says I have a whole one of these, that's not a $1 bill there, is it? That's a penny. And here, that's 10 cents, which I need to write 10 cents on there. But that's only one of these. Oh, I have pretzels now. I could probably do it with pretzels. For pretzels? You don't really like pretzels? Will you use them for the math or what? Yeah, you can get one or that. I only give you like 4. I only like pretzels with peanut. You can eat. Exactly. If you don't want them, you can throw them away when we're done. Don't eat them yet. No. Them before, I'll let you eat them before. You should have 4. I'll give you another one because that's like a big one. Okay. Did I give you? Everybody got some? Okay. So, somebody made the comparison. Y'all that are at home, sorry. I mean, if you have pretzels, you can do this activity with us. Jacob just said, oh, these look like what? 10s. So we're using them as 10s. So if I put 3 of my sticks down here, how much do I have? How many 10s?
3.
How many? How much?
4.
Jacob said 30 cents. So I have. Oh, a dime.
You're counting the other 10.
No, I'm not counting that. I was just showing you.
Only 3 dimes and 3 cents.
Hold on. So y'all can put 3 out there. So I have how much money, Jacob?
30 cents.
30 cents. Do I have any holes in here? Do I have any dollar bills? So what goes in this place right here?
0.
A 0.
And that
0.
the 10 is 3.
Yes, a 3 goes in the 10s. Look, you're getting it.
0.
And then a 0. Good job.
Easy.
Skittles. No, you're not getting Skittles. You're crazy.
You can use them as 1.
I will after the same. They're my Skittles. Don't eat them. Okay, I need you to show me with pretzels and Skittles 22 cents. Either like one. Yeah, either thing. I need you to show me with your pretzels and your Skittles 22 cents.
That's sticking up.
Show me 22 cents. Yeah, show me on your paper right now. Good.
I didn't get none.
I didn't give you. Oh, perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Show me 22 cents. 22 cents.
I'm good.
22 cents. Did it just like 2 or 3 seconds? There you go. It's a lot funner. See, this is why it would have been good for division because we used all of this for division. But for y'all that are online, okay, y'all that are here, I told them to show me 22 cents with their pretzels and their Skittles. Y'all see how that makes 22 cents?
Yep.
Okay, do I have any, y'all are here, do I have any holes here? Do I have any dollar bills?
No.
No, so I would put a 0, right? How many tens do I have? 2. And then 2 pennies. Oh, my sweet Larry James. I don't have anything else to give y'all, but let's do another one. I only gave y'all 2 Skittles. Show me 41 cents with your pretzels and your Skittles. 41 cents. Raise your hand when you're done. No, you be done. 41? What I was going to say. 41? 41? 41? 41? Okay, now write it in your binder. Okay, you need to be writing this. Write it in your binder. Do you have any holes? I know AJ needs little squares. We don't have any holes, do we? Nope. So I had them show me 41 with their pretzels and their Skittles. They're lucky. They actually want to be in school now. They got some candy. Okay. You can eat your pretzels and your Skittles right now. So this is what it would have looked like. 0.41. And what you need to understand, and is the decimal too. So okay. You are missing out. Skittles.
First and save the Skittles first because they kind of look like them. I better look. What's your favorite Skittles flavor?
All right, page 83. 83. Yeah, the next page. Eat them now, or when we go to PE, you're gonna throw them away. Page 83. We're not on PE, we're going to Midland. Oh. Okay. Okay. How much does one of these little tiny things represent? How much money?
10.
10 what?
10.
10 cents. So I want to shade in 4 of these, I think. Wait, hold on. Don't shade in 4 yet. Make sure. Nope, I lied. I want to shade in 6 of these.
What page is that?
83. It should be like the next page. So shade in 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Page 83.
Four of them?
6. Sorry. Say shading 6 of them. I know it looks bad.
Miss, where do we go? When do we go after PE?
It would be. We'll come back here for maybe we'll make sure nobody has to go to the bathroom and then we'll go to lunch. Because now we have to go like early. When it was just Antonio and I, there wasn't that many kids in the cafeteria. Now there's more. So we'll come take a quick bathroom break and then probably go to.
Come on, next page. Trade in 6 before we go. Next page. That was a fun math.
It is fun, right? When you get some candy and fresh, take those, or they're going in the trash. You gotta go. Shade in 6, yeah, shade in 6. We'll come back and finish it. Shade in 6. Okay, y'all that are on Zoom, I will see y'all back at 12:20. Got it? Y'all have music today.
Miss
Music.
Hernandez,
Yes.
I'm gonna be going to what I told you about at
Okay.
12.
Okay. Then just get on there and make sure you can do your reading, like look through your reading, okay?
All right.
All right, see you later.
Bye.
Bye.